Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Irfan and in this Python tutorial series I will teach you Python from absolute beginner to advanced level. If you want to become a software developer, data scientist, AI engineer or automate tasks with code, Python is one of the best programming languages to learn. So let's get started. Python is a high level, easy to read and powerful programming language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Python is famous because its syntax is simple and looks almost like English. That makes it one of the best programming languages for beginners. Even the single line of code can display text on the screen. There are several reasons why millions of people learn Python. Reason 1, Python has simple syntax. Many Reason 2 is many companies use Python for a software development and automation. Reason 3 is most AI and machine learning projects use Python libraries. Reason 3 is you can build websites, games, desktop applications, automation scripts, data science projects, AI applications. Some big companies that use Python include Google, Netflix, Instagram, Spotify. What we can build with Python. With Python, you can create web applications, machine learning models, chatbots, data analysis tools, automation scripts, games. In this series, we will cover Python installation, variables, data types, conditions, loops, functions, object-oriented programming, file handling. By the end of this series, you will have a strong foundation in Python. If you are excited to learn Python, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. In the next video, we will install Python and write our very first program. Thank, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.